You searched how to buy shares of DLH Holdings Corp. DLH Holdings Corp trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DLHC. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker DLHC to find the listing. Double-check that the result shows DLH Holdings Corp on NASDAQ, so you select the correct asset. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand current quotes. Confirm the company name and DLHC ticker match the NASDAQ listing before proceeding. To make the purchase, click Buy or Trade. Choose a cash amount or number of shares you want, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you want to explore the platform.